Hey guys, welcome back to another Mask Monday video. So for today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Eden Bodyworks Split End Repair Mask. So let's jump right into the video. I'm going to start off by washing my hair. Yo, my hair has been through it this week. It looks terrible. It's been actually over 7 days since I last washed my hair, which is so unheard of, but I wanted to like stretch out my wash and go as much as I could. And I even had it in a bun for a hot minute. And I actually hate doing that. I don't like to put my hair in a bun because I feel like that tangles up my hair way too much and it dries it out like crazy. So yeah, I definitely needed a lot of moisture and a lot of love today. So I'm going to start off by using the Power Greens line from SHEA Moisture. I did do a review on these products on my channel, so if you guys haven't watched that video, go check it out. Is it me, or is it just so satisfying watching someone's hair like just get wet and like get moisturized? So I am going to follow it up with the conditioner, and you guys, my hair was so freaking tangled. I mean, the amount of hair that was coming out before I even detangled my hair. That's how bad it was. So I'm gonna go ahead and detangle my hair, and if only in real time it was this quick, but you guys are getting the edited version. Now my hair is nicely moisturized and now it's ready for the hair mask. So you guys, I actually never used a Eden Bodyworks product before ever. So I was really curious to see how this mask would work on my hair. You know what's crazy? I kept smelling this over and over. I'm like, yo, but this smells hella familiar. Like, what does this remind me of? Like, I can't put my finger on it. I can't put my finger on it. And then I really thought about it, you guys. It's gonna sound like some fat ass shit, but yo, this reminds me of that almond Danish from Trader Joe's. It's like a little pastry they sell. You guys smell that? This reminds me of that scent. Like, legit, it smells just like it. So on the bottle it does say it works in minutes to transport hair and prevent additional damage. Use weekly to strengthen hair, lessen breakage, and experience fewer split ends. After shampooing, massage into hair, working through the shaft to the ends. Cover with cap, leave on hair for 40 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. 40 minutes. For deeper absorption inside the cuticle, add heat. If you guys haven't watched my last video, you know that I actually have low porosity hair and I love using heat with my hair mask. I just find that it makes a huge difference. You know, 40 minutes is a long time, but it's actually kind of quick, like if you don't think about it. I went ahead and applied it into my hair. You guys, this product is so thick and a little bit goes a long way. I did do the mistake of putting a little too much into my hair. So my first impressions when I put this mask on is how freaking buttery and soft it made my hair feel. I easily combed out my hair. I could easily split it in half and do my little twist that I like to do to like train my curls. I love to do that method, and also locks in a lot of moisture when I do it that way. You know how you feel like when you know a product is gonna work bomb on you and you just feel it like we're about to have a good wash day, like you just feel it in your bones? That's how I felt when I put this on. Like, just how much slip it gave me, and I just saw how hydrated my hair looked. It just looked so freaking nice. I did use heat on my hair for 40 minutes. Yes, I sat down 40 minutes with the heat on. I just feel like the hair mask just went so well with my hair. It gave me so much hydration. It just looks so healthy. It looks so shiny. It felt so soft to the touch. I honestly have no complaints. It felt really nice on my hair. Now sometimes you can rinse things out and it'll feel like really tough and like rough. It did not do that for me at all. It just felt really nice. In case you are curious to see what styling products I used on my hair today, so this is the combo I've been using for the past couple of weeks now that we're in, you know, the colder weather. I also did a video on this product right here. I freaking love it ever since I tried it. This is the On Jackie Not On My Watch detangling therapy. And then I went in with the On Jackie Curl LALA Curl Custard. This is another favorite product of mine. It is so bomb. If you guys have not tried it, I highly recommend it, and it is very affordable. I always switch up my gels. I always go in between either this one or the Camille Rose Curl Maker. Y'all know that's my absolute favorite gel ever, but I'm actually running out of her. So sad. I need to go get another bottle before they decide to shut things down. So yeah, I've been using this one lately. This is the Uncle Funky's daughter. Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. I love this gel. It's actually very similar to the Camille Rose. Like, they're so identical. It's kind of crazy how identical they are. But so the reason why I went in with this gel is because it's very similar to what the hair mask has already. And like I said, now that we're in the colder months, there's certain ingredients that I'm trying to look for that I know that's gonna work well with my hair. The aloe vera is actually really great for this time of year, and so is the marshmallow extract. So the hair mask has very similar ingredients. So yeah, you guys, these are my results. I am very satisfied with this hair mask. I definitely want to check out more Eden Body Works products, because now that I see how this hair mask worked on my hair, I'm very curious to see how their styling products may work for me. I'm definitely going to check out the other products in their collection. And so I did leave the crunch in my hair. I do find that when I leave the crunch in my hair, it will last a lot longer, and plus it's gonna rain tomorrow, so I kind of want my hair to be like really good for that. It is looking a little flat. I only really fluffed it up in the front, but you guys can see how pretty my curls came out today. I think that this hair mask is so worth it. You get so much product. This is 16 ounces, and I'm telling you, a little bit goes a long way. It left my hair very hydrated. It looks very healthy. If you guys haven't checked out this hair mask, I do recommend it for you to try out yourself. So yeah, if you guys want to see more videos like this, please give me a thumbs up. And I hope you guys are enjoying this Mask Monday series on my channel. So if there's any hair masks you guys want me to try, I'll leave them down in the comment section. I'm really curious to see what you guys want me to try. So that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. And of course, don't forget to glow. Mwah. Bye.